everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Rose, based in Nairobi, Kenya. Welcome, and please consider subscribing, liking this video, and even watching and sharing the previous videos. So in our today's video is about groceries. I'm actually from the market, and I happened to buy a few things, the day-to-day groceries that you need as as a person who likes cooking, or someone who loves the kitchen. So I'm going to take you through. Actually, these are things under 1,000, and I felt maybe it is affordable. Buying things in bulk makes it cheaper. Let me show you. So I bought onions. These were around 80 shillings. More onions for 200 shillings. Actually, this is going to take me for, if they're going to go for over two weeks. Then there is tomatoes again for 200 bob. Saumu, what they call this, garlic, each at 10 bob. I love this. I love this. So this is 50 bob. Dania, 10 shillings. So we have hohos and cucumbers, 100 bob. And there is carrots. These carrots and these all going for 100 shillings. Just look at this. This is actually very, very cheap. I love carrots. So I also added some cereals. These are yellow beans. This is yellow beans, and then I have camandes here. So I like boiling my cereals. Okay, they are cheaper, they'll go longer, I don't have to stress about where to buy them. So once I boil them, I just stock them in my freezer. Next, I'm going to wash, of course. Wash before stocking them, or putting them storing them in the fridge. I need to wash the fridge and restock. And restock some of these things